one's known as the Southern Red Bishop. I just got a lifer. Thank you very much. Nice little red bird. There's another one. Southern Red Bishop.
Those guys are actually a parasitic brooder as well.
What
breed parasite.
Oh yeah, but what's the name of it?
It's called a pin-tailed wider.
A pin-tailed wider.
Yeah. Very
interesting when he flies with the long tail there. And he's got a little red head in the front. Come on, look my way, fella. So these are go-away birds by the nature of their call. Another lifer. I can hardly keep up today.
R-I-E.
That's the picture there. They've stopped us in our tracks.
It's called a curry bastard.
Curry
bastard.
Bastard.
Yeah.
Curry bastard.
But
Curry bastard.
Let's see.
Quite a group of cormorants down here.
I know. I gotta delete all those.
Okay, this is a black-chested bastard. Yeah, there's two of them there. Black-chested bastard.